Phino, Run Town Mama, you know, and rest of them all. P Square, can help young ones. Okwuluora the 101% right. Yes, because Okwuluora Ndigbo, I am at Okwuluora as onye name advocate for Ihoma. Onye name preach Ihoma is an ambassador. But at the same time, Okwuluora, my brother, as the Okwuluora asaya no mari yekue. And as much as na ekwu can they big artists, ne rotate small artists, just like Tunde Yoruba. First and foremost, I do we love ourselves? Yes. Because where there is no love, do we love ourselves? That is the main problem. That is the main thing. Do we love ourselves? Now let us analyze this your video. I believe that the video will go viral. Everybody did the video, everybody made the video. Ebe Okwuluora you say, can the artists make any big artists never just small artists? Yes, you Okwuluora maka. More than small artists ya kwali onwe hugu. All than small artists ya kwali onwe hugu wepa anyuku, wepa ekoro. Ejere mozo boro. Mona sakadena ejere egu. A full small boy in the album. One small boy in the album. Just na no na about chiri kuegu or je kuegu or sadebe copyright. Kuegu Oliver the copyright. Kuegu copyright. Oputa eba yaka na kuegu. Abami no na dey egu. But eba yaka also bro na kuegu. Jagodi mo 10 minutes am boshi go when na ka oh. Good morning sir. Just 10 minutes. Obala sakadi na ndokota oya boye ndi kwa choma igba fa ka ka ndi eji fame ndi ga ka ka na-emebi siri ọrụ ka o wee ga na-arụ onwe ọrụ but ọnụ video ọ ga-amana ya maka nna agwa na n'ozubulu ebe anyị jere ọrụ MC anya ka ozubulu set the stage Chika Obi set the stage this small boy because small boy ozubulu set the stage ka we help this boy onye na nwa ihe a enweghị name o nwere hu 5,000 followers na Facebook. Onwe album of his own. Just normal agwegu nwo na agwegu osadebe na agwegu Oliver the Cook na agwegu copyright. This guy went with a microphone. Be me one address we no be egwu. O nwere ihe ndị anyị kwesịrị onye na stop encourage an argument without any valid point. You will understand this video ma ọ bụ na ị nwere data. If you have data, cool order. I'm going to 10 minutes to get the data video before now, it will help you. I am on the streets. I am on the entertainment for years, for more than 15 years. Oh, God bless you. God bless you. Thank God I tag you. And you come in. You're my brother, my friend, and my good, very good, loving brother. Okwuluora the 101%. Mana achomka ke gote ihe na-ekwu. Number 1, let me start from you, Okwuluora. Mgbe ị bịara bịa mee ihe ọma na UK mesia informa somebody you help just because na o nwere ka o si wee dị awebe bogi ji bogi ede the same person bụ onye kunu kọrọ ihe niile si ma ị ga-arrest achọrọ m ibibe gị because I know you love Ndigbo and you love talented artists, you love small artists, and it will be a very pleasure if you can join me in this live video even if it's 20 minutes. I want to tell you something again because But entertainment, I'm not going to entertainment for more than 15 years or thereabout. You ain't done. Buy done na keyboard. More about you is what I done. Yeah, Mona Cardina, my name promotion. But Tiri with the Lagos, I ain't done. Biaku for 3 weeks. Buy a back chair where I put at 1,000, 61,000, 20,000. We manage it like that. I will tell you everything. Okwuluora. We gonna help woman in the UK. The same person here, bro. Bonye da corrugate your lie. Bugari oku, bugari everything nine. Nesio nka atụghị nga na Abuja gije enweta ego ndị mmadụ ji gije akwụ ụgwọ gije akwụ ụgwọ ọgwụ ofu help ahụ. And you know that Okwuluora, you are a big brand. Ibu a big brand. Somebody each other keep promote so small. Yeah, to lag n'iyi. Onwere na blame today. If anybody doesn't want to help anybody, guy, everybody go and walk your walk, do your work, do underground money had me, man, because there's no love, no love. Sunday Igbo boy Yoruba land. Kuroku because of nwere wende Yoruba atpụrụ eto ngara Kotonu. Ọ wende Yoruba jekwara na ana. Jekwa ruo ọrụ sụọ ọfịa. Elite of the Yoruba land. Ebe alụọ release that young boy. Ebe alụọ that young boy. Sorry, that young man. Oh, but today, Nnamdi Kanu is still in DSS. And I want love. Which love? Do we practice love in Igbo land? Here I practice Igbo operation, pull him down syndrome. Oye kunita kwa tuwe. Look at Casey Limpopo. Casey Limpopo has helped many people. At least oye kuna Casey help by mad. And you don't one of the example. And you don't able logo before Omata Casey just off the light. But Casey see the honor egu and you done Wesaroko. At least that one alone is something. Today you done is every on show your gratitude, on they show your love. Hebrew, we have to talk. Every year, every day with AY. Few of them. Let me continue of what I'm saying. I don't want to reply any insults. All the insults are all welcome. This boy in Nawaga no so na by Jeregu. Onye we album. Ayaka also will set the stage. A very big brand. Even Ayaka also bro. For this video, Chico be said Yegu. This guy said Yegu. We have to wear a microphone. None who Ayaka also, none who does not be Zegu. No be Zegu, but you are be Zegu. Onye we album. Onye amaha akọkọrọ, onye amaha akajita, onye akụta be heat. No only who I am going to be able tomorrow or the guy also but I say that feature all the person your feature any. Oh yeah, I go also will see a feature on ya. I don't know go collabo. I go here no who I can not be able. Which means I have no blog and I guess you're not a bit on the ego. Oman always able, Yajeg or Goro away or the heat. Koyano ni who Chico, Bionamegu, that's not be able. Nde small artists je help wo ha. Ya je help wo ha and you could have too much. He got a small boy like this. Boy. Nobody want to serve anybody. Boy na Igbo. That is why I am a Huboya, but Nigeria Huboya was. I was saying no good. I was independent by now. I was before I went independent today. About 1960, I was independent in 1970. We are supposed to have our independence in 1970 or even 1990. I was when independent, but South Africa were independent. All Bible saying we are own independent. Where love, yeah, but also okay. Let me just stop you. Can you talk go talk on the phone? The young boy have cried and cried and cried. But all you have to leave me wrong way. Oh, host the show, oh, host. T-show, what artists mean a T? The same small artists on never going to have platform, can have blow, going up on a blow, the same small artists to the road go top. Line Baba Bovia go see that not very greedy. Somebody whooped to the millions of naira on a Bovia Haggis at a hotel. Or where you go talk on a man against our hotel. On a man against our apartment, Ibenaro. Mano they go into investment where we all show what's the artists Ndigbo what's kere umaze konya have platform the same umaze about Facebook na rante na say na obu the greedy all the greedy go and do child dedication came when they go and spend the event just naming ceremony bro manya bo show bo cartels bo big boys and when they go there show somebody who is not willing to serve can never receive any good thing from anybody. Yes. Big men, they love humility. Also, no golden voice. No enjoy Michael. More than humility. Give like that's your golden voice. You get a without your golden voice. Ibe onugari 360 degree. Obun inwe raw humility. Ige put that your voice down. Okay, now look at Odumeji no a big brand. Man Odumeje humble way down. If Odumeje can humble himself down, my brother boy Ejek Wamba humble way down. They put the flavor. Or flavor ya chongi je. Kogi ya chongi flavor je. Kobu flavor. Oh, we send the flavor to the old today. Oh, when the flavor teacher old today. So tomorrow, I feel Lord had a flavor about the egu. Talk as a flavor. Babamba. Always you see Phino here. Or Phino no for you. Okay, look at that. The mama. I'm not happy to good flavor. You are. But I said, oh, yeah, big boy. Oh, yeah, big boy in the industry. But somebody like a Larry Gaga. You know, Wagaji. But I said, people, you see a big question. Kitchen about the egu. Flavor when you cannot like in your happy name. But even a flavor will not walk up to you. Flavor cannot walk up to you. He's a big boy. Oh, come on, I tell people to J. Ndo dianga. Ejeba hosbo. Kina ana be alias ya. If Flavor can go to Meje, yana wo to Meja ruegu. O ti ri go nu na egu kinwa ba be. Iya gaba era. Mana ka be ye je kuru Flavor you e ma bu se no pe. E be na agogo. Na etie ayangba. Na Flavor ba gege. Flavor bụ nke ọzọ ịgwata Flavor okwu ahụ oru echi o nwere mind o yeji help other people. Yes, I know so much that now other upcoming artists might be good to the core. Man, those ones who they put that shame when they na-ekwu ọ bụ na ha dey spoil the name of Flavor or Flavor or spoil the name of Mr. Raw. Nigga Raw nwanne buputere Flavor spoil after ruo today. Flavor can akpọrọ isi ya baba tualesa tualesa ebia idefame cha Flavor ma bụ soro defame cha Flavor ebuta onye na-azọ you talk like a mugu. You rush talk that why you make mistake. Come on, get out from here. First of all, go and grow your page. Let me block you easy. What do you know about entertainment? Abomo or coach in entertainment. So when we are talking about entertainment, shut up your mouth. Now, if you cannot listen, bros who will go on my page, I'm not begging you to follow me. Let me tell you, don't just help people. Loyal to you, help what? That is my topic. If you know who is loyal to you, help. Loyalty able to help. Or I better for somebody who got a rap. If I say twisting of tongue. You know how to twist tongue. If I guess I go, if I say twist your honor, every time like this, I can challenge Phino. Nay, who Phino? You who your destiny helper. You who your destiny helper. He say I can rap more than Phino. There can rap battle, Phino. There can go rap battle. Onye sibiru jo sibiri ite na ebu one pump ekwu. Because na Chineke nyere talent, na go say, you don't want to be yourself. E go na ka Phino. Fine. Or your mentor. As long as go na ka Phino. And I be say Phino Phino, they can rap challenge and maybe it mbonye onye say to the standard. Kubegu for years. Hey, but that's here. Hey, baby, the I TikTok. I can rap more than Phino. Phino na nigga that he blow na. Onye ga fu onye bu egbe na acha ka ogbagbu o hapu ya ka o bia enso. As no here ego na eri ni jogoro ngazi. Eju na go dey evidence na mbe beat na comedy, mbe beat na stage, mbe beat na ebe. I na-ekwu okwu ikpe. Abia mkpọrọ go debe na akụkụ m. Nya kpọrọ ihe nripia. Ndị Igbo ebuzo nwegodi ya na kpọrọ respect. Eju ọ dị na egwu ka ọ dị na blogger. Eju ọ dị na content creating. Ihe akpọrọ nwata nwa agbọghọ bịa sị ka inye platform. Ka inye platform o. Ndị Ọnịcha ya ama ihe m na-ekwu. They will tell you iju eze go ya agwa gị. Iju apa ma ọ ya agwa gị. Ihe akpọrọ ofu nwata nwa agbọghọ bịa nwere ihe ibu n'obi. O nwere ife ibu n'obi. Just because na o nwere ukwu nwa ara. O nwere ihe ibu n'obi. E kpọrọ unu eme one content. Video nwere ike ba 500,000 view. Ndị advisors ya bịa n'akụkụ ozugbo nna ndị a ji ga-akpa ego. Ndị Igbo na ego. Come on, get back that simple ụzọ. Onye bute ọrịa ya gwụọ onwe ma ọ bụrụ chifu ụtaba. Oh, Gaya, I tell you, asking back out, what they gave back, or they can pay back. Just tell you, game. Music is not for everybody. Igbo are known for industries. Igbo are known for business. Yoruba are known for entertainment. So it's working for them. It's working for them. Yorubas are known for entertainment. If we get on a hip hop, the only Idris Abu Karim no go outside and a few other people and also are known for politics. They do the politics and they do it well, and they carry their brother one another. They carry themselves together. Ndigbo, business, Yoruba entertainment, Hausa politics. You cannot be here and be here. So, you feel the help here, you have a street of music industry. Help all way out. Then he blows here, those bigger people will not put mouth. I'm not saying that now all the very bad to help younger ones. But I know that Igbo, IGBO, Igbo ahabu Igbo. I able to make the correction ni mo why. I correct you why. John the Bolisa. Iga one week in accidents guy bugala. Ozu, come on, get up on my page. Ndoka, eka urume noka. In apota bia kind of help. Somebody has no onye nwe egwu. Ihu onye bo only who Chijioke mbade for na stage because you are pursued. Maybe na one nigga na akwozu. One nigga na akwozu. Relation na akwozu. Ije ku egwu free. You are your see biko achara nka nku egwu. Onye get the platform. Your brother get the platform. He said here stage eba. Ayake said here. Chiko be said here. Chijioke mbade said here. Even na akwu egwu ayake also bu na ebinye. Jebe Chijioke mbade for no. Fe ego. May I appreciate because now Chijioke Buzo Kubegu. Chijioke Buzo Megane Kubegu. And Chiko be Buzo Kubegu, or may I appreciate. You have love and respect. Do I was able to do ya? And only who I with a microphone. A Morocco or not Bonana. A Morocco or not Bonana. Reco. You want album. That album is egu. Album is egu. Ni Hundra Quegu. Always is the kind of name I have for Ibuzo Kubeta Hanu. In a good album, he will be her album. He will be headed to them, but I go to TikTok. It come a rap challenge. I can rap more than Phino. Already, you say, you ever say Phino, whom you rap more than to help you. Oh, I know that most of you know they enter TikTok. Even that TikTok, phone gang, garden day, even pride in the upcoming now, eh? I got phone money. I got phone money, or maybe 3 square meal. Oribe here 3 square meal. Go and listen to Egu. Egu. He did the Egu on it. Oribe here 3 square meal. Oribe here 1, 2, 3. Ebuta na TikTok osubo. It does again. Don't go. Lower. I get money. Because in that I go, I get money. Phino, Flavour, Davido, around town. Bonner boy. They don't make them. So they are free to saying, I get money. You should have go, I get money. Only they be 3 square meal. Only be in one room. Age got to work, one room and parlor. Only the 4, being of room, up that stage, I get money. You who hair, okay? You who your hair pass. One end up coming over who happen to Bobna, Ogara problem. Poor man, you have that's a problem. And another Yakaraka. Another Yaka, where they since let's see that I was here. I can come out to about working on your family. Okay, Christmas is here now. Oh, but I said that can no mona. Buevi. Ah! Oh, if I made a Cotton Kingdom. Now the K rice, Messaraka, he had a rice at Tano house. You got me pum. What makes you not to sell your father's land? Can you go to rice na Boro Munda, pum. You have been in a village, no, but the problem of Ndigbo, I don't want to go. Nihoya Kagere. I want to make your money today. Ni hoye toragato. He make it hard ego carry. Yeah. Maybe they oh yeah, the 40 years, the 23 years, make ego. Problem. After a second and degu, and they Yoruba had a secret court. Time is sure no. As you go to the secret court, Yaba way. Am I having a secret court? Am I a secret court? Oh, when they were a new Kunu work and they upcoming. Here I go to upcoming, Kaba Phino, Conwo, Kahawube. It really say more as you speak on the upcoming. Oga, if you cannot, if we have 5 years, you go to Honor, they try here, me. Abrakare, Jabaka, Yabaka. I'll be no ever Egu when they win. Don't force yourself. You're about Wegu because they understand the platform, they understand the industry. Yoruba man can serve you. Go to give like this. Baba. I'm in Lagos. I know everything. Foolish man, come and get out from here, idiot. What do you know about entertainment? We are talking about entertainment. You are talking rubbish. Come on, get out. Easy. Yoruba wegu. Oh, Yoruba wegu. Outside with politics, Igbo with business. So if only Igbo when it goes to a much that I go, eh? Imano or yeah, or Motara can do Yoruba. Only she back up the Donjazzi and high hair from Mother. Get what other hair from Mother and half or in half the lawyer to Donjazzi. No, let us say the facts now. Must be only before help. Okay. You help somebody who is loyal to you. I cannot help an idiot. I don't go feel help idiots. You help who is loyal to you. Don Jazzy is doing as big as Don Jazzy. He is doing content with Sabinus. He is doing content with Brandjata. Brandjata Oho Igbo Gobo. Oho Igbo. Chukwebuka. Oho Imo State. Get out from here, Ozu. You began for the Christmas. You can acquire natural 14 a year. Anoman. As big as Don Jazzy, on a hair for people, my content under the lawyer. Under the lawyer, you help people who are loyal to you. You know the lawyer, they want me to help you. Go punish you. Here I talk a platform. Look at the man, the blogger. He have a blogger to go 500,000 followers. Oh, when one tag you phone, come go there. Tomorrow, I hate tiger. Bam! Almost the higher 20,000 followers. On after so one celebrity. Give one as the Bozonia boo, stand the Onya, Ube. May humble to the social media. Auto on for anybody who go to Makanua. Now I have the number 1 person here where you see. Oga, I got to counter this thing. I got to counter. Everybody go and work on yourself. Go and work on yourself. Nobody help each other. Work on yourself. It work while you blow. Glory be to God. If you don't blow, join us here. You can follow your content creator na Igbo. Not because na baby God bless you with Hana. Goes with you. I talk to use when you are to go to Ki shake here smoke and view. Only a product at the show. 500,000 view. The same idiot now I hire Facebook before. Now I hire TikTok. Then when you know about entertainment. I go here. Oh yeah, to go blow. Oh make 500 ndaji ga ego. Na me pay your own page. Ndaji ga ego. Only then when you hear ma, or she was o me pera page nke mo ibeze ke bia ke iburu afu ko ke zuo bia ze brusi afu ko ke me gene ke zuo bia buru afu ko ke me gene ke zuo somebody poputara ge ni ihu oru I nwete 5,000 followers 10,000 the next knows ozugbo pela na ekwu no ba ka pela awu ka pela saracha hike obonse no dey make money for TikTok shit, yeah, baby, Baba, God bless you. It are portable, oh, yeah, On a Magdana Mafana na Sekurana. Chinya Genu, that is loyalty. Ndibo muta loyalty, haga viral. Ndibo muta loyalty, haga viral. Casey better go ahead, boy. Because the man with the talent, yes. Man they put talent down. You know to and I get talent. Don't let me do this thing for Southeast. Don't let me do it for Igbo. I get talent. I can do this thing. Nobody will feed them. With that thing where you they do, he get nobody will know you. If you don't learn how to bend down. If you don't learn how to bend down, he can phone you boss answer. Like the other time, okay now for need a help, idiot, bingo. Barago, or what had the me barago. Everybody go and work on yourself. Day your day. Cry your own cry. I tell Umudioka. Every baby na aqua Jacogo. Because we have that way step with the Nihu a big one. Let me block this idiot. Come on, get that from here. When you add a good the idea. Ever platform then they go here, platform then they raw truth, raw. Maybe I go up to any big one go we say good and wake and they say good now. Wake and I was reading comments wherefore I say money never too long, reach that man money. How one day I say money never too long, reach that man money. That man will ain't going down for. It's like that man money big passing own. And I may have by ego. And I may buy don't have your boss in the game. Don't have all guy at the game. Don't have all guy at the game. But don't go better there, Seburan. Oh, you have a cocha, or better do a coconia who said, would you say Burana? When I said, Mamma, only about gay, only have blues on the Yanaro for Seburana. And I love that. And that is the kind of lifestyle I am imitating. If you Jpac said we are a kid, mother. Hey, you're a beggar. Yeah, I got to be a beggar. Never got a Sarah Sendaga. I'm Andy when I'm gang about 5 and 6. Okwuluora make a video again. My own opinion. Because Okwuluora is somebody war. So notary ogo. On your hair from London. Turn against him. Okwuluora Ndigbo. I am my answer on this video. Onye Okwuluora hair from London. Turn against Okwuluora. Fight back against him. Okwuluora Ndigbo ndem made. See je Okwuluora go ogbo ego. All the guys na months ago na the thing I don't know you. Oh, bring it back again. Onye Okwuluora hair pro. Turns against Okwuluora. Governor Eziogo say, let them carry up coming along. Governor Eziogo, let me ask you one question, and I want you to answer me this question now this live broadcast. You may join here. I will answer one or two questions. I will ask you one or two questions, Governor Eziogo. Mbibi Abobota Igbo channel. I know why I'm calling them. Mbibi Abobota Igbo channel. Near your platform. Kuziere Ozo. Na lead you through. Over your name and all your videos. Maybe YouTube. Where now but is about to go to YouTube. Is it not a platform here? I want to ask you. On our platform. Man immediately honor unverified news about you. Immediately honor about unverified news. News that is not true. News that is not real. Because you are defending one particular denomination, one particular this thing, ministry or whatever. The same Igbo channel turned against you on live camera. Live. Barely 6 months you met him. Barely 6 months I introduced the boy to you. Kill it here through. Under 6 months. Me go na garone. Mo wa ekugo say oyo obana wara my WhatsApp. Na Jpac bi go to give promote. Mo ga ego na nje me promotion. Mo ga ego ne. I will tell you. It take me a lot. I'm going to go to the promo. Jpac, because tag my page, you pay. Because people don't show people check it. Hey, so go check it. Check it promise. This boy and Igbo channel and on care with them. Because no more with that name. Here my page name. Here my page name. I'm with an idiot. My page name. Come with an idiot. Oh, where is the town? Is here? I don't know how they when they go to Jpac or is it? Bam. Everybody, so enjoy my live broadcast. Join my live broadcast. I don't want upcoming to be telling me that nah Jpac and maybe horror. I don't maybe don't know, but believe me, you guy. Any day you learn to be loyal, that day your success begin. Any day you start to be loyal, loyalty brings help. Loyalty brings help. It's an say, Joe Chris and Wabes the former governor of Anambra State. Joe his loyalty towards former president of Nigeria, Bo Obasanjo. If you are loyal, you will go far. If you're not loyal, you go with your talent. I'm trying to add, but it's declining. I don't know why. I'm trying to add, but it's declining. I don't know why. Maybe it's network. Maybe go back again and come in again. Are you through? They eat that they come. Hey, Muta loyalty, Ogara Ofuma. As some say help and upcoming. Well, upcoming. What happened in Lagos? Me with the kulele bitters. Ebe son. Just tell me whatever you are. I will bring kulele for you. That is the only better drink you want now. You know, get respect. They want help. He have full mad in nowhere. Just because someone we go to that coke a bread money mana. Coke buy cigarette. But that I see cigarette a mob. Neko 1 naira jiro. 1 naira jiro. When they bring gang and work and the upcoming. Even Phino never even do guy. Phino na go pushie you ha mono onya na managa. If upcoming on aga ntua. Oge isi akuro kasega. Oge ja isi akuro kasega. Do sagin with a belt butu oru ku amo. Dota set at 2. O won go ha one album. E be say ni who Phino. Ha ya dey na help me. Tattoo esi eba. Segide tattoo ntu apada na aka. Sigeba se tattoo apada na aka. Say everywhere. You won't be one album. Ozu. And I tell you help. If you comment here, you receive blocking immediately. I have a hair and Dara here. I have a hair and Dara here. I know no one ever so we can send on Jpac. Everybody is so. By the grace of God, my loyalty they pay. When you see me kneel down for a big man, yes, only I come. Probably by the way today, Buna. Only Abonika. Only Abonakagi. But then only Akagi. Bend down. Can help, Wagi. I'm not ignoring you because Mwakama because I'm try join. I'm not being my broadcast. I'm trying to bring you. The thing is declining. Because if I want unable to add guests, they can't be added to your broadcast. Why? Okay, I'm not aware on board. Even balance media, balance media. Nke a mere m n'anya korokoro koro. Somebody balance they better pop that. No, so now I got I had you over. Over 9 million. We go balance. We question. We just about war on our market video. Back the war, but I was a live video. I balance the Moa. I want to go here and the rest of other people had the 4. But I said the guy who was saying balance the group. The next was balance the guy, but I will say now balance not the very useless, not the very this and that. We have to balance it, we finish your balance. Okwonye with the problem that balance say I can solve for it. We not who I go finish your balance. Since that day I can record I balance we women wow. Put it in my again. We will buy. Here, but you back that platform. Oh, you said like this, eh? Fake it, even though they fake at you, not just say, I beg, I'm not God. The way they will appreciate you, tomorrow they will be moving far. Look at them, they beneath, look at them, they worry. Had the loyal to the game. When that word saying, I'm loyal to the game, when somebody walks over says, sir, boss, I'm loyal to the game. Loyal to society. Loyal to court. Loyal to the game. I'm loyal to if I know. Go to others in the Igbo house. Careful senator say the loyal to him. Yes, we will never stop carrying people along. Man, and keep us organized here. Organized people here. Camera that carrying along our obligation, our duty, our must, and our task is a choice. Carrying along our task. If you carry one body along the next day, or say it's not because it's a wait if you go join, yeah. This message, okay? Join this broadcast. This message concern you. I know when you hosted a hotel, you were there host one show and there we give people along. The same people you host show for. Then I also say the greedy. How about a way if you walk? Why walk? What be loyalty pays. Look at the way if every year AY. Why won't AY promote him? I'm going to try. Maybe poor, but up again. Congratulations, I saw you. You just climbed to 97,000 followers. That's a very nice one of you. Make it for Facebook. Let me see you. Oh, well, if you have to say Sugar Promas, and I believe so much, Okwuluora is very careful on how he carry people along because okay, what if now? No way people borrow take on a bank. We UK may show. But I was in the buy, we buy. Believe me, you won't UK you're gonna back again. They will run. See a problem in the UK. Okwuluora Ndigbo. Oh, where did Okwuluora a problem on how now? All grace of God. Coach now, what's the problem? How can they buy? Can't help and that almost student. Can't go out. Onye, cry your own cry 2024. If you're not lawyer, they where you day. People that are lawyer, we carry them along. I'm not saying that we will not carry people along. Carry whosoever that is lawyer. Carry whosoever that is getting lawyer. Carry her along. All the lawyer, match him, they go. Because if he broke, that person where you want help, go be at the podcast, blabbing you, bastarding you up and down. If you broke today, Onya He Kubara, Yabu the number one person in the podcast, Ya Lagni. Finish here, Mwaka Batana life now. Okay. Oh, what is wrong with this my life now? Why I'm bringing people? This thing is not. Yes, I'm trying to bring people on. This thing is not. Can even merit? They can't. Hey, oh shit! This my program would have been one of the best. Oh boy, if you go, I beg you, just pour out of this life, but again, you know go, or whether your normal account, but I just, oh God. Any request or say they can't be added to your broadcast. Why? I want to know you're on here now. Okay, wait, I'm adding you now. I'm adding you now, please. Accept. Maybe I'm lying. Wait, accept, please. I'm adding you up right now. Please accept. Oh, no, I'm adding you up now. So I've already sent you request. Just add up. Your own is going. Governor Zogu, please go out and come in again. Let me know whether network will allow me for you to come in. Actually, eating me, I say, Zauno, everywhere I need. Open and the upcoming shop that now. The problem of not for them not blowing, bugging loyalty. How are they be humble? They will work on themselves. How can work on their guinea on themselves? If only that go high life, they want album. On any who material egu. Also no boys egu. Album is egu. Onye egu. You want album. Already. Yuzuru and the man he could before. You know about Joseph, you just get a material where you could Kagena came as a kuegu. He came as a man on Madikobu or a friend back. Able on a stage now kuegu. He was an abase. Oh, no, I'm Moya Kane. I know I'm Moniaka. Problem of Ndigbo and Ndigbo with no Moyaka. Oga, Obon and Madika, you could then akage. So that Ndika, you could one acre. Quetena kage, so that Ndika, gave put one again, Neka. I'm a Monday camne. Mananden can't have with an anchor. No problem. I'm a Monday cam, and I come on my party who. Efumo, Nesebuana, I brought me idiot. I'm a Monday cam. Munda kabana ma sebuana. Kwena kana bukanaka. Keneha loyalty. Go and ask any big man. Ask any billionaire who is Jpac. I am loyal to the game. And that's why I can never lack. I am loyal because I come. Manandenka, I hear what an anchor. Ndenka hear what an anchor. Even a 3,000 followers, father will in a cracker with Jpac for good things in life. Already, I feel like he have money. Get me. On a hair program based on a flavor I want to. And a flavor, or I'm not by the time one day, or you're okay, none about America, or Kuebu, and yeah, $2,000. And young. Why you are saying that thing? Phino is washing, P Square is washing, Rontan is washing. Don Jazzy is washing. Other big artists, they are washing. Everybody got to be careful. Say, nah, this one where this guy they drag this person. Or can they all come and say me? Nah, make everybody do again. Flow, Timaya Kuregu, is not one even. Timaya have got things in life, and they're not popular that game. They all turn against him. They using a flavor, Timaya be idiot. Where they go, they your deo, they your deo, they your deo. Mbakuru di egu, it's not being offering in life. Where put your phone number so that people will call. I am This is my private line. I didn't change my live video. I can't change my video now. Into your number, I got circulate. Okay. Kamu Bugaria did. Hey. No. Now next time I will put number. Kagatan Jemera Bon Kenji. They made the life. The other one I thought me did here on net. I'm running that one for business. It's here number the next knows. Oh my careful yes. I mean they will be making you feel like you are heartless. Oh my careful yesterday. Yesterday, first time in my home book. Man, I asked me good morning. Man, I asked me how are you? When the first thing you could be able to do in someone's phone. Bogene, send the other messages. Message number. Bim, 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 bim. But that's 16. Message. Please help me. Me and my children will never eat. No good morning. No how are you? And what we hear about close relationship. You don't know what is called close relationship with somebody. Before you ask somebody of anything, first of all, how are you? How is your family? Nyonya like 2-3 days, 1 week. Give them a very close talk. The first thing you able to make a phone number was man and my family behenni. Man and my family eri behenni. Na isi na one jimenka. Dima wana. No good morning. And I said Nandi but help. Igbo people does not help. Yes, it's good. Igbo people know they help. Mananda has to help. Have again. Are they ready to help themselves? I can go to sanitize your wine. Sanitize ourselves. Put ourselves through. Oh boy, if you are there, I don't know why your own no the. I don't know why. I don't know why I'm trying to add you up, but it's not even my balance itself. However, this is my live, this is my network is something else. Mr. Jpac, do you know condition under loyalty? Whatever the condition, if it suits you, you stay. If it does not suit you, you enter it and find your own way. Or by force. To me, being loyalty is good to me. Ifeko! Ifeko na laba! Ifeko! Chai! Fumanera kwa, nera godo. How is your business moving? Like this man and a boy fake on Aba on a rogodo. Nere material, 7-star, 5-star. Every kind of senator material. If I could bug to my WhatsApp for more than 3 weeks, I don't even know that Ifeko is chatting me. Just getting all about a boy except to where mana won't be have visibility, won't be have fame, or they be high, but no one I have why had it. Well, one day I wake up. The way if it goes and they upon say they turn him down. I purposely they turn him down. Kamano again went bad reaction. Man, he did not have bad reaction. If you go again, bug them one day I wake up Simba. I will do something for this guy. I don't give him money, but as man I made a promo. I promoted his business, posted it in all my platforms without money and without price. I don't ask him for 1 naira. I don't tell him to give me 1 naira. And I will still do it again, either this year or next year, January. Because of getting, O nwere ike ọ bụ na ọ ka m nwere ego but ọ dị loyal. Ọ chọrọ ka business ya gaa aga. Ntiri arụ promote we. And I will still do more. Agwa ngizene ama m ndị ka m ni mana ndị nka anaghị ekwete na nka ha. Ọ bụ problem. Ị nwere 3,000 followers. But na challenge ya 300,000 followers. Na-eme aka like this. Maka mgbe anyị bidoro ihe social media. Before social media anyị na-akwara na Beverly Hills. Jụọ agụ talk mgbe anyị na ọ bụrụ today. As I go talk. Anyị bụ ụzọ mee show Star Trek na Nnewi. Na-eme na Beverly Hills Nnewi. Mgbe a na-eje show every Sunday ka a na-eme entertainment. Mgbe entertainment na-atọ ụtọ. Jụọ Madian. Far as that time. Mezege. I am meet here together. Oh. Okay. If I believe nigga, it's naked. Should I call it network or what? I'm trying to come up on a direct. This is today network economy magaria. But how do I continue this program now, Bani? How do I continue this program now, Bani? If one them network on it, I'm going to direct now.
Hello?
Nah, network. I'm here na network.
I'm telling you, your network.
All the government program and happen, but I know I'm taking a life. Who we have here is nobody than Ogbuefi go talk. OMM market in Kembo and Keys. Nah, everybody will Mua Emana video Naria, or Naria there for bad or to be wishing then up, but all you remember the way money if I can't go and say I don't know who could have about. Now we go to the love and loyalty. Now I like it, I like.
Jpac, I will just be honest with you. After that, I'm going to Okwuluora Ndigbo to it. But I'm not going to media control join here with a George Matt.
Yes.
Okwuluora is on out of Phino And Flavour. You understand?
Yes.
And everybody will make the name of match today. Name of match today. Name here out of love.
Yes.
To go high. Or when you move, they have that. Then they move for note. They move for the kill or almost. Money will learn and more group. Name here on social media. And I did very few. You understand?
Yes.
But now other people do not understand this. Because now they do using that. Yeah, I made the book I had. What they say to me, and that is more popular. And you will if you see the same people are in a fight for in a group for some of them, not to say that to Ndoli. Not to why are you thinking that they hear
No, when I get fee, when I get to Yebuba, when I hear them, then we hear them.
You understand? Okwuluora, you will be very, very 100% right. Mana Okwuluora, amaro to the head in entertainment. Because Okwuluora is talking out of a philanthropist or
yes.
out of entertainment. The man I got the head in entertainment or lesson on him then or lesson in what could they go to that level.
Yes.
Where I got here. Because I go more on what get on a level, I'm about me and now. And I don't even blame anybody for any action or you're going to take it. Because other people now, I'm already heading in there. We are not who we are considering. You understand?
Yes.
If we show collaborate, how are you collaborate?
Yes.
I'm on your way. I'm on you with the leggage, but you have a collaborate. So, start your shoe. I'm on my shop, free call. I'm on my book. I'm on specific go to collaborate and you take it all out. You understand?
Yes.
But you understand? So if you don't have a secret in the entertainment, people buy can go very far. They got entertainment. I'm not very far. I'm not going to buy a good idea. What could they do? They go within the notice. I don't meet it. No, no, Marcasia, wherefore I people cannot buy. We're just kind of see as up when you offer.
Yes.
At that point, when you teach you how to what because we the people that they want to win. When I make a potable, when you go back to the what to say stage, what to name.
I never motto. Yo!
Everybody, when I see you, you have one there, who follow the same way you are. Whatever you will. What to say that stage, we are an old guy.
I don't know my pure water. I don't know my pure water.
Okay, that was one example.
In a one, you want to show and there we because it's go mecha show. I want that I say no degree the when I get fee. We buba go when I go near and can no jay where I go. I'm pro now can go see buzo. Treat go di head na first.
So that's you was nice. It's very handsome. I can even have something.
Yes.
And this is the car of the area or the mother the camp, or the mother the Koyo, the mother the guy, the mother the Calvino brothers. I was a bit of maybe Igbo comedy skits in the man like
yes.
Before the rock, very and the watch video claim, or follow people by never comedy video claim over. I have the worry, I am a witch, we don't make Pia with you. Very special recognition to Jpac. So people like they want them.
Yes.
They may tell all you comment. I am a with social
media. Facebook card.
I am a with social media. In fact, this is not one pioneer. If you a woman for the accolades, they go people like Jpac. Get accolades, they go people like they want the best. So get accolades, they go people like
yes.
You don't call it people like Kemo, Mr. John, the insurance is important. You don't go to South Padon, get good, okay, do you know that they need a sample every year from this village Lagos? You know that no one have flights all over and as you know.
Still, why is what I was talking about everybody go.
My brother, first time went to the show near Wildlife. Here you move like NTK all the show under 3 minutes. NTK all the show under 3 minutes. But here you move 5 minutes. Maybe the one doing the Wildlife when you follow with you. It's a long Wildlife as performer.
No, but Mama gets it out. Mama gets it out.
When trend, when people practice as you understand?
Yes.
People know that I'm going to come and engineer 5 minutes. No, I'm not going to get brand. You understand?
Yes.
A podcast or something. I'm going to buy here. I'm going to buy seminar. I'm going to seminar. I'm going to one woman. See, they get the back teeth. Or 11 or that. As soon as they come,
who you know?
Because that's never been one of the you understand?
Yes.
People that are not only the buy when we have respect,
in the women people out of Guardian Beige, Beverly Hills, Star Trek, New and high school.
I told you, I'm the first comedian I can ask now Beverly Hills, they know clear. And I see about another story for another day. You understand? So that it's in the middle of any year. Even with that, when you're not going to entertainment, understand you better than when you're not going to entertainment.
Yes.
You follow that, not the right. You will pull it out, young one or into entertainment, or one needs to be any entertainment. It's just a philanthropist now. You go to play for Okwuluora Ndigbo, what I do. You know what's going to happen and what I do. Even you understand?
Yes.
And if Phino and Flavour doesn't talk, they don't talk. If I don't want to have money and put up for help. Do you know that a fact for you by your song will help?
Yes.
In the future, when you could help, when you know it, when I'm with you, when I'm with you, when you could get the highest help. You see, the highest help needs to be my fellow comedian, my fellow school comedian. Give me your platform. That's all.
Simple.
Because why? I'm a young woman. So many people on my platform to perform in Lagos. But how more the year here? I need to every day. Yeah, I need to.
I'm able to come on my side because the follow only on ya. Because the can help on ya.
Social media, the one you go to never know ya. I can never know. You only have one who never back if I will be the show. This is the request. I'm not going to my shows. In your area, you can call me or you can come close to me. They call your skills like I only him one man. And you may know who cannot get the help who you don't see it or the only help I can give you for help also. And these guys, Phino has given it to so many people. They reach to this level of chocolate. Phino Phino. So bad.
I come as my
brother. My brother can you also.
Oh, you would that about more before one of help.
The artist in come as Lagos. Now my show. I'm about everybody flights. You're going up in a hotel. Okay, last year, come as about few people about the whole of flight because this place is kind of carry. If any whole move with money, nobody did it for me. When we do, and we jack and one mobile flight. You man, I'm about to perform one show.
In a quick way, you're going to DJ bribe. DJ is not about where you know, my
But all these people are Maria, I can be a chap. Now, you know, this is 3 years ago, that's about 2 years ago, when somebody messed up seminar, I said, everybody come. I said, I'm not paying 5,000, no, I'm not 5,000. So you can't pay 5,000 to get knowledge here, man. Why they went down $1 online, on physical class, not online.
Online class.
Our people are not being here because man don't come as I said, I'm not being here. Here I have a message. How are you?
Problem I had a because today by Anyuku because now you go up on a Ayana Baze boy about Ruinisi. He got that. He has to grew more money after 2-3 months. Almost 100,000 followers or there will be comments or there can send Omega arrive.
By himself, yes, now
yes.
Got an example of it now. Which is somewhere all over the world. Till tomorrow. I always say, I never can sit now. And I said, who will see a wife? Who will see a worship a wife?
Yeah, with our humility. Oh, loyalty. On because without loyalty, Yoruba people cannot excel in music, in anything entertainment.
I have a lot of sense because I like it.
I wish now in the evening, may change the network. In the evening, here it 6 o'clock. Come by life a manner because man, or every 18 people here are not going to bed. Yes. Life again. Oh, God bless you. One name. Oh, yeah. That is the voice of Ezunwa on a Chamen market to Buefi. If I did Kubu house, our brother, now we are not trying to make people nakari nyere madi akade nyere anyamaka de barabo ananyaka manye nneku bu nyere onye choro anyamaka aka na bia nneku loyalty na-ebute help. Loyalty attracts help. Without loyalty, help does not come. Idika militant dika mbi ima de ewu that is stubborn. If you are stubborn, nobody will help you. Can I bugarian this live video na abane? More self na gas studio now. Ka mbe one or two things. Mere mare jingle. A lot of people are not in hall because I'll be right back. I believe na Ogbuefi abogo ihe ekwu na-eri mana a ga-agbachata n'abalị a. Ka anyị gwa ndị Igbo na a ga na-enyere ndị mmadụ aka mana onye chọrọ enyemaka ka a ga na-enyere aka. A na-enyere militant aka. You cannot help somebody that will come and defame you tomorrow. Ya gazie.